Good morning, students. Today's topic is laboratory thermometer. Then, how do we measure the temperature of the object other than the human body? The temperature of the human body is measured by the clinical thermometer, and the temperature of other. Suppose we are doing the experiment in the laboratory, then how we will measure the temperature? Then, for that, we have to use the laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer can measure the temperature of the hot objects such as the boiling water as well as the cold objects such as the ice. The range of this thermometer is minus 10 degrees centigrade to the 110 degree centigrade. Now next is how we will use it. Then for that I will explain it with the help of this experiment which is given in this picture. Now see, you have to take some tap water in a beaker. Then now dip the thermometer and you have to dip it in such a manner it should not be touched at the bottom and sides of the container. Now hold the thermometer vertical in the vertical position and observe the movement of the mercury in the thermometer. And when the movement of the mercury will become steady, then you have to read the reading. You have to read it. And if you take out the thermometer from the water, then the mercury level starts falling down. So you have to read it when the bulb is inside the water. Okay, the next is in this picture, in this diagram, you can see this is a clinical thermometer. Then there is a structure that is called kink. There is a structure called kink. Now this kink prevents the backflow of the mercury in the clinical thermometer, whereas this is not found in case of the laboratory thermometer. That's why when we take out it from the water, then the mercury level starts falling down because there is nothing to check the backflow of the mercury. Okay, the next in this picture it is the digital thermometer. This is digital thermometer. A known fact is that mercury is toxic in nature. For this reason, digital thermometers are widely used nowadays. A digital thermometer does not contain mercury. It has a plastic body and is easy to use and provide the accurate reading in the form of the digital display. Now next, uh, precaution while we are using the laboratory thermometer. What should be the precaution we have to take? Then the first is when we are going to use it, then we should wash it properly, and after use also we should wash. The next is it should be held in the vertical position, and the bulb of the thermometer, as I told you earlier, it should not touch the sides of the vessel or the bottom of the vessel. Then our eye should be at the level of the mercury while reading the temperature. And the temperature should be noted while the thermometer is still in contact with the that liquid or that water, and when not when it is not when it is removed. Okay. Now next is the mercury in the thermometer is toxic in nature, hence the thermometer should be handled carefully, and it is of glass also. So we have to take care while we are handling it. Now next, one more thermometer is there that is called maximum minimum thermometer. Maximum minimum thermometer is used to measure the of temperature during a day. It means in a day it can measure the minimum temperature of the day as well as the maximum temperature of the day. That's why it is called minimum maximum thermometer. Okay, thanks for watching and enough for today. Thank you.